Today we will be doing auto transformers. So what is an auto transformer? Its definition is simple. It's a one winding transformer in which a part of winding is common to both high voltage and the low voltage side. See, this is a normal transformer. There are two windings, one towards the AC supply and one towards the load. But in case of an auto transformer, there is just one winding, and this winding only comprises both for the AC supply input as well as this is V2, this is our output from where we connect our load. In a more well drawn structure, this is our AC supply and this is the single winding and this is our load. As you can see, this is a single winding, okay, and this is a single winding and these are our turns. See, this N1 is to the primary side, primary winding, this whole part, and this N2, this is only for this secondary side. Okay, so in case of a auto transformer, what is different from the normal transformer? Here isolation is there, two different parts, but here in a single winding we are deriving the same thing. So but there is not much difference between them because the voltage ratio and the turns ratio are the same, V2 by V1, N2 by N1 equals to I1 by I2, and the power is also same, V1 I1 equals to V2 I2. Now step down transformer. What happens in a step down transformer? The voltage decreases. So how will a voltage decreases? As you can see, N2 by N1 equals to I1 by I2 and equals to V2 by V1. So N2 means if the turns are more, voltage will be more, and if turns are less, voltage will be less. So this is our AC supply and this is our single winding. Here we have done the tapping at this place. Okay, so as you can see in the primary side, this whole is the primary side, this is our N1 and this is our secondary side, the turns are N2. So this is our first turns. As you can see, it is more, and in this side it is less from here to here. So we know more turns mean more voltage and less turns means less voltage. So this side we are getting less turns, so from high voltage we are stepping down to low voltage. Similarly, in this case we have done tapping here, so on the towards the AC supply the turns are less, and towards the output the turns are more. So this is our small voltage, and on the output side we get more voltage. So this is the function of step up and step down transformer. And what are the other aspects of this auto transformer? The advantages: this is small in size, as you can see, this is a bulky thing, and here we have just removed this part, so this is small in size, and with that thing we have less weight, less cost, because here copper turnings, more copper wires are needed, but here less copper is required. Better voltage regulation: as you can see in the normal transformer we have impedance at this place in the primary side and as well as in the secondary side, so the voltage regulation is poor as more number of impedances are there. But in case of an auto transformer there is just one impedance, so the voltage regulation is good. The disadvantages: now no isolation. As I said, there is no isolation. Here primary is different, secondary is different, here we have put it together. During fault, more current flows. So suppose this our load, it gets shorted. So in this case, in the normal transformer, as you can see, more impedance is there, so less current will flow. But in this case, if I short it here, then the whole current pass, and this is bad. Third, wire break, full voltage at the output. As you can see, this is our AC supply. Okay, now if this wire with any circumstance gets cut, so the whole voltage will go to the output. Okay, so this is bad. Again the other disadvantages: less voltage ratio, as if we do tapping at this place, so the voltage ratio is less. This is all about the auto transformer. And one more thing, auto transformer doesn't mean automatic transformer. Auto means a Greek word. It's simply a Greek word put here. It doesn't mean automatic transformer. So then get confused.